Namaste, I am Jayoti and Dr. Kiran Yadav. In this lecture, I will discuss about electric field due to a point charge. Suppose we have a point charge plus Q which is kept at a point O at a distance r from this point. There is a point P at which we need to determine the value of electric field due to this charge plus Q. At P we need to find the electric field, so we place a positive test charge which is Q0 at this point P. The force on this positive test charge Q0 at P due to this charge plus Q will be F is equals to K Q0 upon R square, R cap. Here the test charge that we take is always positive. You remember, for measuring electric field the test charge is always positive charge. Here we took plus Q charge, so there will be a force of repulsion. So the direction of force on this charge will be towards right, towards this R cap. Okay, force will be in this direction, right side. That's why we use here R cap direction. And from the definition of electric field, we know the formula E is equals to F upon Q0. We put this value of F here. So if then the value of electric field becomes 1 upon Q0 K Q naught upon R square R cap. Q naught get cancelled by Q naught, so the value of E is KQ upon R square R naught. This is the value of electric field due to a point charge at point P, and the direction of this electric field is toward R cap. The direction is toward right. So at this point P, the direction of electric field due to this charge plus Q will be towards right, will be in this direction. E will be in right direction. Okay, so if we take minus Q charge instead of the plus Q charge, then intensity of electric field at P will be this, and the quantities are same, only we use minus R cap instead of R cap. So in case of negative charge, only the direction will be reversed. Its direction will be opposite to OP vector. And from this formula it is clear that the electric field intensity is inversely proportional to R square. So we get this relation. If we draw the graph between E and R, then this comes out to be this, because there is a relation of inversely proportional between them. And if we draw a curve between E and 1 upon R square, then there is a straight line curve. Okay, so you need to remember this curve. This is not so important because we know that E is directly proportional to 1 upon R square. In case of directly proportional, the curve is always a straight line. In case of inversely proportional relation, the curve is something like this. So you should remember this curve. Now, if the point charge is placed in a medium of dielectric constant, then in place of epsilon naught, we use the constant epsilon, and we denote the electric field by symbol EM. Then the electric field is given by this relation. And if we divide this EM by E, where E is electric field in air or vacuum, which is given by this relation, if we divide both these equations, this and the upper one, then we get this relation. From this relation we can see that EM is less than E. Thus, for a dielectric medium, the value of electric field intensity is epsilon r times less than in vacuum. These are the values of electric field in different physical systems. Well, you don't need to remember all these values. These are not that much important. So if you have any doubt,